Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Beats to iPhone, quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your Beats to an iPhone, first ensure your Beats are charged. Press and hold the power button on your Beats until you see the LED indicator light. This light should start flashing, indicating that your Beats are in pairing mode. Next, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is toggled on at the top of the screen. Now, look for your Beats in the list of available devices. Once you see your Beats, tap on their name to initiate the connection. After a few moments, your Beats will show as connected. You can exit the settings to start using your Beats with your iPhone. If your Beats do not appear in the list, repeat the previous steps to make sure they are in pairing mode. For persistent issues, consider resetting your Beats and attempting the process again. To reset, consult the specific instructions for your Beats model. After resetting, return to the power button and follow the earlier steps to pair them with your iPhone. Once connected, you can enjoy your music wirelessly. Make sure to keep your Beats updated for the best performance. You can check for firmware updates using the Beats app, available on the App Store. Now you're all set to use your Beats with your iPhone seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.